The digital world is no longer a separate entity. It's our reality, our marketplace, our town square. Everywhere we look, digital screens and interfaces are seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. From the moment we wake up and check our phones, to the time we spend working on our computers, and even when we relax with streaming services, the digital world is omnipresent. It's not just a tool, it's the fabric of our modern existence. To navigate this world, to shape it, to have a voice, we need to speak its language code. Coding is the new literacy, the essential skill that empowers us to interact with and influence the digital landscape. Just as reading and writing opened doors to knowledge and communication in the past, coding opens doors to innovation and creation today. It's the key to unlocking the potential of technology and making it work for us. Coding isn't just about building websites or apps, though those are important aspects. It's about problem-solving, critical thinking, and creativity. It's about collaborating with others to bring ideas to life and finding new ways to address challenges. Whether you're developing a new software application, creating a game, or designing a digital solution for a real-world problem, coding is at the heart of the process. It's about understanding the fundamental building blocks of the digital age. These building blocks are the codes and algorithms that power everything from our smartphones to the internet itself. By learning to code, we gain insight into how these systems work, how they can be improved, and how they can be used to create new and exciting technologies. It's about having the power to decode the systems that surround us, to understand the logic and structure behind the digital interfaces we interact with daily. This knowledge gives us the ability to troubleshoot issues, enhance functionality, and even protect ourselves from digital threats. In a world where data breaches and cyber attacks are increasingly common, understanding code is a crucial defense mechanism. To see the ones and zeros behind the curtain, these ones and zeros are the foundation of all digital information, the binary code that represents everything from text and images to complex software programs. By learning to read and write this code, we gain the ability to manipulate digital content and create new forms of expression and functionality. Just as the printing press democratized knowledge, code is democratizing creation. The printing press made it possible for information to be shared widely and for knowledge to be accessible to all. Similarly, coding allows anyone with the skills and creativity to develop new technologies, share their ideas, and contribute to the digital world. It's a powerful tool for empowerment and innovation. It's giving individuals the power to build, to innovate, to turn their ideas into tangible realities. Whether you're an entrepreneur with a groundbreaking idea, a student with a passion for technology, or a hobbyist looking to create something new, coding provides the tools you need to bring your vision to life. It's a skill that opens up endless possibilities and allows you to make a meaningful impact on the world, to turn their ideas into tangible realities. In this new era of digital literacy, coding is not just a technical skill, it's a form of expression, a way to communicate ideas, and a means to drive change. By embracing this new literacy, we can all become creators, innovators, and leaders in the digital age. The influence of code extends far beyond the screen. It's in our homes, our cars, our hospitals, it's managing our energy grids, optimizing our traffic flow, and even personalizing our healthcare. As technology advances, this influence will only grow. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, the Internet of Things, these are all powered by code. To be passive observers in this technological revolution is to relinquish our agency. To understand code is to understand the forces shaping our world. The demand for skilled coders is skyrocketing. Software developers, web designers, data scientists, these are the architects and builders of the digital age. But the need for code literacy goes beyond these specialized fields. From marketing and finance to healthcare and education, coding skills are becoming increasingly valuable across industries. Coding is no longer a niche skill set. It's a fundamental literacy that empowers individuals to thrive in the 21st century workforce. Code is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used to build or to destroy. But in the hands of those with vision and compassion, code has the power to solve some of the world's most pressing problems. It's not just about writing lines of code, it's about envisioning a future where technology serves humanity. Imagine a world where every line of code contributes to a greater good, where every algorithm is designed to uplift and empower. From developing sustainable energy solutions that harness the power of the sun and wind, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigating climate change, to creating accessible technologies for the disabled, ensuring that everyone, regardless of their physical abilities, can participate fully in society. These innovations are not just technical achievements, they are lifelines that offer independence and dignity. Coders are using their skills to make a real difference. They are collaborating across disciplines, bringing together diverse perspectives to tackle complex challenges. Whether it's developing apps that connect communities or creating platforms that amplify marginalized voices, the impact of their work is profound. Coding empowers individuals to be agents of change, to channel their creativity and ingenuity into making the world a better place. It's about teaching the next generation the skills they need to innovate and lead. By mentoring young coders, we are planting the seeds for a future where technology is a force for good. The possibilities are endless when we use code to solve real-world problems. From healthcare to education, from environmental conservation to social justice, coding is a powerful tool that can transform lives and communities. Let's continue to harness this power, to dream big, and to code for good. Section 5: The Human Element: Why Coding Needs You. Some fear that the rise of automation will make human input obsolete. But the truth is, code is only as good as the humans who write it. Coding requires more than technical skills. It demands creativity, problem-solving, and a deep understanding of human needs. It's the human element, our empathy, our values, our imagination, that will ensure that technology serves humanity, not the other way around. Section 6: Learning to Code: Embracing the Digital Frontier. Learning to code may seem daunting, but it's more accessible than ever before. There are countless online resources, coding boot camps, and even games designed to teach coding in a fun and engaging way. The key is to approach it with curiosity, to embrace the challenge of learning a new language. Just like learning any new skill, it takes time, effort, and dedication. But the rewards, both personal and professional, are immeasurable. Section 7: Beyond the Lines: The Creative Power of Code. Coding is often seen as a purely technical skill, but at its core, it's a form of creation. When you sit down to write code, you're not just typing random characters into a computer, you're crafting a set of instructions that will bring an idea to life. It's a process that requires both logical thinking and creative problem solving. It's about taking an idea from your imagination and bringing it to life in the digital world. Think of it as a blank canvas where your thoughts and concepts can take shape. The beauty of coding lies in its versatility. You can create anything from a simple web page to a complex artificial intelligence system. The only limit is your imagination. Whether you're building a website, designing a game, or creating an app, coding gives you the power to express yourself. It's a medium through which you can share your vision with the world. Each line of code you write is a step towards turning your ideas into reality. The satisfaction of seeing your project come to life is unparalleled. To build something entirely new, imagine the thrill of launching a new project, the excitement of seeing users interact with something you've created. It's a feeling that drives many developers to keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's this creative potential that makes coding so exciting, the ability to shape the digital world with your own two hands. Every keystroke is a brushstroke on the canvas of the digital realm. The possibilities are endless, and the journey of creation is as rewarding as the final product. So embrace the creative power of code and let your imagination run wild. Section 8: A Connected World: Building the Future with Code. We live in a world increasingly defined by technology. From artificial intelligence to virtual reality, the future is being written in code. By learning to code, we're not just preparing for the jobs of tomorrow, we're equipping ourselves to shape that future. We're empowering ourselves to be active participants in the digital revolution, to build a future that is innovative, inclusive, and beneficial to all. Section 9: Code Literacy: A Foundation for Tomorrow. In the 21st century, code literacy is no longer optional, it's essential. It's the foundation upon which our digital world is built, and it's the key to unlocking a future of endless possibilities. So take that first step, embrace the challenge, and learn to code. The future is waiting to be written.